Electric scooters have changed a lot in the past few years. What used to be small, lightweight commuter devices have now evolved into high-power machines that push performance closer to motorcycles than traditional scooters. And the X1372VPRO is one of the most extreme examples of that evolution, because when you look at the specifications, it immediately stands out. A 10,000-watt dual motor system, a 72-volt 40-amp-hour battery, and a claimed top speed of up to 65 miles per hour. Those numbers place it firmly in the high-performance category, not casual commuting, not beginner-friendly riding. This is a machine designed for experienced riders who understand power and control. Now let's break down what those specs actually mean in real-world terms. The dual motor setup is the heart of this scooter. With two high-output motors working together, acceleration is significantly stronger than single motor designs. This means faster takeoff, stronger hill climbing ability, and more responsive throttle behavior. But with that kind of power, control becomes just as important as speed. Now let's talk about speed itself. At full output, this scooter can reach highway-level speeds depending on conditions. But real-world performance will always depend on factors like rider weight, terrain, battery level, and riding mode. High-speed scooters are never just about the number on paper. They are about stability, braking, and control at those speeds. Now the battery system is equally important. The 72V40 pack is designed to deliver both high power output and long-range capability. On paper, this can support extended riding distances, often advertised around 75 miles. But in real-world use, range changes a lot depending on how aggressively the scooter is ridden. Higher speeds and rapid acceleration will reduce total range significantly. That is normal for any high-performance electric vehicle. Now, let's talk about ride quality. One of the key features here is a large 13-inch tire setup. Bigger tires generally improve stability, especially at higher speeds. They also help absorb bumps and uneven road surfaces, making the ride feel more planted compared to smaller scooter wheels. Now, braking becomes extremely important at this performance level. High-speed electric scooters rely heavily on strong braking systems to maintain safety and control. Hydraulic braking systems are typically used in this category because they offer stronger and more consistent stopping power compared to basic mechanical systems. Now, let's be realistic for a moment. This is not a casual city scooter. It is heavy, it is powerful, and it requires experience to handle safely. At lower speeds, it can be used for commuting, but its true purpose is high-performance riding, not short urban trips. Now, who is this scooter actually for? It is designed for riders who want motorcycle-level acceleration in an electric platform. It is suitable for long-distance riding in open environments. It is also aimed at users who prioritize speed and power over portability. However, it is not ideal for beginners, and it is not designed for crowded sidewalks or tight urban pedestrian areas. Now, if you are considering it, it is important to be realistic about expectations. High-performance scooters like this require responsible handling, proper protective gear, and awareness of local regulations. And before making a decision, it is always worth comparing it with other high-end dual-motor scooters in the same category. Because in this class of electric scooters, small differences in controller tuning, braking quality, and frame stability can have a huge impact on the riding experience. At the end of the day, the X1372VPRO is built around one clear idea: deliver maximum electric scooter performance with extreme speed, strong torque, and long-range capability in a single machine. And that is exactly what makes it stand out in the high-power scooter category.